In this video, I'll be showing you how to increase and also decrease your font size on your laptop. Simple and easy. So what you're going to do is just move to your settings. Good. So tap on this here and search settings. Open your settings. Good. So this is my settings here. So on the settings, what you're going to do is we move to accessibility. Yeah. So on accessibility, you can see text size, the first option. Good. So now we are going to do is text size here. We are going to drag it. So the more you drag it, the bigger it becomes. Good. So I drag it to this section and then I tap on apply to apply that. Good. And you can see how big it has become. Very, very much simple and easy. So I want to make it smaller. I don't have any eye problem. So apply and my text size becomes smaller again. So that's it on how you change your text size on your laptop. Simple and easy. If you are new here, just give me a like, subscribe to the channel. That's it for the video. Peace.